na eze mo de mo ntena se kura kakra ndwene te se nipa mpo hwe nipa ni nanim ene
abuza from mo nyina makwaba e de bagana nsem TV so but omo de so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch the comment section ho maybe hum bia from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok o comment section o by bia be hum bia from Mr. President Amejo so ko yin na edwum me say that bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we die e dey need to Sudan say man we need that bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyesom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa the moment I be hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility, I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, momi enko. Yenko ko video bi mra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Women commerce here.
na eze mo de mo ntena se kura kakra ndwene te se nipa mpo hwe nipa ni nanim ene hwene gbeha bi jimi honorable adu asafo asem ye si efa politics mo ben be ma ade na mo de mo ajimi sa but mo tag sa kwa o se your friend governor o se wan mo tag ni mami ade na mo ajimi sa obi ebusue mu asem just because of say all join political party bi ntino e politics na mo de ba be politics mo de NDC youth no de bibia e politics wo krom sa na matena krom ha de galamse ni pers0n sa na ma we nyina e politics na ene ebu aka mu ko mu ni stella mo da so de jimi na bibia na mo de e politics honorable adwa asafo asem ye obi ni na ebusue mu asem esi so mo de be ade na mo ajimi sa mo wa jimi dodo na me nim say wanyi ntie bia uti no so no kai bia nyansa kakra be won ba ho NDC youth ni nyina wo krampo na wagimi kasi wo mu munsu ya nyansa kakra na mo ma manim bie na ni bia ba
planes and I say be bo party no ma be bo party no sa be mpu na akọ na minim no even 2017 na akọ na minim no 2018 June ye kokoto constituency election na me di hu na akoyo na me ba chairman pu no na akoyo no gensemi we campaign ma chairman Habib ba ye wie no oba me nche be pa me cho ene me be ye fine me ka cha mati na akoyo no me girlfriend me kan to nyama me ka tender me ka no boku mo pa mo me dua bia mo person me ko videos so me ko radio station ma bodua live achi obi say yes na akoyo no me girlfriend na me di no what I say na edipa
and some what audio no me pese me to aso bio so audio ni dey bebre o but me mobile dabi me yawo ko bia dande una ade we nyina ba
Omunyina bo adwuma enso nko ade mi wu tesa wonso na was water works and house in na sefo eye wadwuma direct yen she den ya any policy yen she den wu any policy bia mayen wu se wani abre monfa video ni to so mame samra boy den monfa video ni to so mame monfa video ni to enso mame sesi ananko fo mra Facebook no mo mehe ne dia krani adwuma no chese aso mo nyina ba what a house all that they are interested in real estate for na no be sioma na no ano no wadwuma nso ani what's in housing ministry wadwuma nso ani you are not doing well you are fine gentleman but you are not doing well wadwuma nso ani ye hu adwuma awo ye and when say get me the videos please. Now, Oba Beshe, Samra boy, and then I say for very terrible. Terrible. Ɛhɔ nyinaa flooded, kroni nyinaa flooded. Unte se minis anka krobi na ye serious ha. Anka wone nam hɔ. Check the ekoso. No.
And also the greater Accra, ye galamse wa nkran wa hu. Galamse wuntu mi tu galamse e wa Accra. Anenye sa abeti. Wo gyina hɔ sɛ ahemfofo no ɛne ayutiama wuntu mi na wo mutu galamse. And so President John Mahama kura ba bontia beka say NDC fo ne ka ho bi na wo mutu galamsey no. Yentie President John Mahama.
The final one is illegal mining. Illegal mining has eaten into the fabric of our society, and I must say that it is not only a menace to our society, but it has involved the circle of traditional rulers, political party appointees and everything. And so even when one party changes, those who were running some operation, who were to one party will go to the next party and say, oh, now that you have come and take over this operation and let's share, and we too will be getting small. This is what we're doing. And so I don't kid myself that we don't have our own people involved.
Okay. The President of Ghana timi aba bontin. Aba be kyerɛkyerɛ nkɔfo wo mu ye galamsey. Esa so ka say our own people esa so ka say NDC for ka ho na wo mu ye galamsey ya. Ade na kyerɛ se wotimi ehu nkɔfo wo mu ye galamsey ya. Ade na kyerɛ se saa person wo wontimi stop no. As a President of Ghana wo atimi aba bontin aba kyerɛkyerɛ wo na wo mu ye galamsey. Adentina won't put you stop for those people one more galamsey. Adentina won't can't tell no moon jai. Or see NDC for can one more galamsey no. Because MPP feel so na NDC ba na one more change shift no set away a woman be percentage. Tell that means no only 100% say this is the kind of people so one more galamsey. Inti as a president who nim say nkofo we na wo mo ye galamsey and galamsey ni so betimi generate to be before from na galamsey na wo mo ye ni betimi asai o man Ghana na obetimi asai kuro no na wonim nkofo na wo mo ye galamsey ya adentire sa nkofo na wonim wo mo no uma wo mo njai sa galamsey ni ye dentia anya wo Kevin Taylor na wo ba bontin beka say president
Joanna da no simu de bia ye kan ho asem oman we just say yenim oman ni issue ayewo ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmoud Bawumia ye de ma oman we a any 2024 elections ye ko no ma Dr. Bawumia e den na de kire Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na me ye ma mo na busia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan serious. So in fact, on my bit me could borrow or my be presidency. On my bit me could borrow or my be leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the person is intimate because of time. But those ones yetimi go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look at say we have some of the hospitals in fact, equipping hospitals not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, many can say hospitals and they go and no me say. It is a Canadian saying and no man in Abaya. Because can kwa kaya de wasa botumi wo say oh I say wo say people for akonfo na mu akonfo ti ma sacrifice discard to what they are hospitals na mo so mo ya akonfo akonfo ti ma facilitate me so be fund free seniors mo so mo ya akonfo isi enye Ghana for dey bi na fe na tables na ten afi dem okeke mu kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho asofo no mo nko ma ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect omo nko ma ntu ne nko nyina ye ho chief imam for nko ma ntu ne nko nyina ye ho politicians nko ma ntu ne nko nyina ye ho market women omo nko ma ntu ne nko nyina ho obi ankara ntu ne nko nyina ye ho 2020 do they will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open konketenkete Nancy Bibi na nkasa de se bi ye bibia yan ketenkete ya adwen ketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye ketenkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open ketenkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, you know. Most open ketenkete. Is any one there? You people chose policy. You people chose music over policy. Then you tell me ho papa na fe na mbusu wa kire me na wo ne wo sia kire me say bi me na me ko ka kire radio drama ni ma say o mema was come to butu wa ye wa ha digitalization ye start say ye mo say daddy digitalization en to kinki nti mo pe kinki sika nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu ade na mo kam ye wo ko mo ya e di radio drama ni mama ko gina fese enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo de oh na mo de onye kinki na mu hia utilization bia e na gafo so okay ne beto ba na ma bum mo to ba ma kinki government a etimi
Sese die ko ye kra de menu na to me hu letter bi a yoko for tro ye eba council of state member voter region na me se fiam eh Remona Chapa ya hype ni say we ye can say Israel train
but the issue is true.
Okwe ni letter now was say council of state member no ye former staff emanam one which is never true.
Onye
juma order and onye juma order amanam one for the first time nam one I post. Oh yes, nam one I post.
Yeah, no catch you be say dependent boy.
O si sa asem na listen for the first time. Nam one and kwa pe baby akwakoda na nam one. Yes. Na che say was no kura dwiri ni say state institution we intelligence institution. Who need intel?
Ayeka bro.
Problem ni nyina ni say
economy no kwa na eboa.
Problem ni nyina ni say papa or council of state member or company to good a year before grab good board beba no to me crata good board alliances no to me to good to me to good etimi good kwa manone ano ne adwuma ko bia kwa pam say me supply good between June 2025 to June 2026 within 4 or 5 months what me supply good no over 75%. Omo koso na se maintain ho ase ba wone nipa no ni business ena nipa na fa case di abra wu yoko se osusi se nipa na sisi no yoko we invite directors and managers of the company mo buy who take your statement ama o grant o mi bo mo koi wako court yoko na court o court no court will really dey tiao say this is a civil matter. This is not a criminal because Yoko is a state institution. And you fight for the state and not individual. And this is a civil matter. Already know what's what fizzy on my account without authorization. And I say order from court. And as High Court really say the unique case. What ferry akona koda afi the old fediana afi the was by I say any mokra mweda mempemubium adwuma wura nankasa na mepenache no. We invite in our my no issue document say we a fugitive. Johnny. Thank you. Personal attack as if say your office one and they use any personal agenda. And you're so sad.
No, Raymond Wankasa, me Martin Yamabemi and Sabia. I don't want to talk about.
Nana, me see the member who know what the very soon who recordings a BP. Very soon who recordings are a BP. And this state institution, sir. Oh, on Sano Huno, and no crash, I'm sorry, I'm for NDC for my